Namaskar friends. At the outset, I wish to thank all the learners who have registered for our previous courses. We have already completed courses on the topics like product design and development, processing of polymers and polymer composites, and operations management. Just looking at the overwhelming response that we have received for our previous courses, we have now designed a course on work system design. Now, what do we mean by work system design? So, work system design comprises of three words: work, system, and design. Now, if we dissect these three words, what is work? I am currently shooting a promo video. This is a work being done by Inderdeep Singh. Then the system is facilitating. There is a mic, there is a video, there is a chamber or a recording studio, there is a team of people who are helping to record this promo video. So there is a system which is facilitating my work. And the last word is design. So we have to design this interaction between Inderdeep Singh and all these equipment in such a way that the output is good, output is acceptable, output is maybe enjoyable for the learners. So that is basic concept of work system design. We will try to understand that how a work can be done in a better manner, in an efficient manner, in a productive manner, in an effective manner. So for that we have divided the course into 4 basic modules. So in 4 basic modules, first of all we will try to understand productivity. That what do we mean by productivity? What are the causes of low productivity? What are the productivity improvement techniques? How we can measure the productivity? How we can calculate the productivity? And finally we will see that what are the important tools and techniques that can help to improve the productivity. So once we understand that there is a need to improve the productivity, we will focus on tools and techniques that may help us to improve the productivity. So there are 2 important techniques. One is the method study, another one is the work measurement. The second major chunk of our discussion will focus on method study, and in method study our focus will be to learn all the graphical tools such as the outline process chart, the flow process chart, the multi-activity chart, the two-handed process chart, the flow diagram, string diagram, CMO chart, and we will also try to learn the principles of motion economy, the Therbligs, and we will try to use these graphical tools to improvise on the current method of doing the work. So by using all these techniques, we will try to analyze the current method and to develop a better method of doing the work. So this will be our module number 2. In module number 3, we will now use the tools and techniques of work measurement to establish the standard time for performing the work using the specified method which we have already developed in the method study. Even we will use these techniques to compare the different methods of doing the work in case of method study. So we will try to use work measurement technique to find out the standard time. Now what are the techniques? We will use stopwatch time study, we will use PMTS, that is predetermined motion time system, we will use work sampling. So we will use these techniques to find out the standard time for performing the task by a able-bodied worker at a defined level of performance. So basically the first tool is related to importance of productivity, the second tool is related to finding out the best method of doing the job, and the third module is related to, if you remember just now I have said, work measurement, that will help us to set the standard time for performing the job. And finally we will learn an important aspect of ergonomics and see that how ergonomics can help us to design our work system in the most efficient manner. So with these 4 modules we will be able to highlight the importance of work system design in our industry. So the course, as all of you are well aware, is a 12-week course, and in 12 weeks there will be assignments which have to be submitted online, and at the end there will be an end-term examination. So I welcome all of you to join this course, and I am quite sure that the experience of joining the course and going through the course will definitely add value to your knowledge base. So looking forward for all of you to join this course. Thank you very much.